Options profit calculator demonstration for GSAT Global Star. All right. One of the members had a question about this. Just want to make sure everybody is understanding how to maneuver within the options profit calculator. Okay. So there's your stock right here. All right. You want to open up the options chain. Let's say we want to go bullish on GSAT. All right. So we got our expiration date here. Let's pull this out to March 19th just for the sake of this demonstration. All right, so let's say we want to do an in-the-money call option for GSAT at $2 strike price, okay? So we opening up the chain, we opening up the contract, we looking at the deltas, the gammas, the thetas, everything looks okay. Implied volatility is really, really high, all right? So could be a big move coming up. We'll know that when the time comes. All right, so we add this contract, okay, and then we're at $2, expiration March 19th, price is 73 cents. So we open up the options profit calculator and we go to long call because it's a call option. Remember, buying a call. So long call, we're bullish, all right, you click that. Then you go down here, you type in the symbol, all right, symbol is GSAT. Get price matches the current stock price 237. On here we got 236.89, so round it up a little bit. Select option, okay? Remember we had a March 19th expiration date and we and we paid 73 cents. So just to verify that, go down here, 73 cents, March 19th, $2 strike price. All right. So boom, we got $2 strike price. Expiration March 19th, 73 cents. We selected that one. We got one contract in here, okay? Then we're gonna calculate. Click calculate. All right, so this is what you're looking at right here. You look down here, you can see profit loss, maximum risk, percent entry cost, option spread value, blah, blah, blah. We keep it simple and go with the table, profit loss, dollar value, okay? So this is your profit loss, dollar value. Like one of the members said the other day, it's a lot of red, you know. Sometimes you can pay attention to this, sometimes you don't, but it really just depends on your strategy. You go back to the option, you'll see that the implied volatility is very, very high. So that could be a good thing or a bad thing, all right? But you see how much risk you're dealing with here. So you have to go and gauge what you think the price is gonna go up to, what you think it could possibly go down to. So if we go over to the chart and pull up GSAT, Global Star, we can see the chart. I'm on a 4-hour chart right now, all right? And you can see that it hit a little peak up here at $3.06. So if you're bullish, you could be thinking, oh, it might go up to $3.06. We can go and look at the weekly pivots. The weekly pivot is giving you right here. So your strike price, you know, it could be around this range, which is $2. So that's good. Your strike price is down here. All right. So what you would do is you would mark that. All right. You would mark that. That's your strike right there. And then this could be a possible exit for you. $3.40. All right. So you can mark that if you need to. And then you can go back to your profit calculator and type in $3.40 and adjust your chart. Okay, so now your chart is adjusted. Now it's not so much red. Now it makes sense. So if your target is wherever it's going to be, then you need to make sure that your profit calculator has that into consideration when you're calculating it, so that it looks right. So now this chart looks a little bit better. Also, your strike price was down here. All right, so you got a $2 strike price. You marked it on the chart. So the price right now is at 238. So if price goes down to here, then this could be your potential exit. So because you're looking at taking on a loss down here. So this might be your maximum risk level down here. This could be your potential possible gain up here. So for a $75 investment, you could potentially double your money if price reaches your target at $3.40. Okay, So this is how you would put all the stuff into the equation. Now, if you was on not last Sunday's class, and you understand how to pull out the fib, you know, you would go from swing low to swing high. All right, and you can see the pullback came all the way down to 38.2% level. Your entry could have been around here, which it is because your strike is here, and then you get all this gain. But in order for you to get, you know, have some profit today, you need this price to continue to go up. All right, so, you know, for the sake of argument, you might want to use it here. Maybe you want the fib to go here. Maybe you want the fib to go here. You know, that's up to you. That's all preference. You know what I'm saying? It's up to your preference or whatever. But you see the retracement here. The retracement looks like it might not be over because you got a little high here, and then now the candle is going down. So the candle might drop all the way down to 50% level, or, you know, you'll see you got another hour and 30 minutes here until another 4-hour candle opens, and it might open up higher. All right. If you scroll down to the 2-hour, you'll see that a green candle just popped up. You scroll down to the 1 hour, you'll see green candles up here. So green candles should you know, might change your decision on where you think it's going to go. Maybe this green candle will continue to rise up. You know what I'm saying? You got another 27 minutes left on this hour. So 27 minutes later, you want to check this chart again to see where the next candle is opening up at. If it opens up higher, then that might be some good news for you, make you feel good. All right, but so that's how you combine everything, as far as using the options profit calculator, calculating everything. And then you want to make sure you take a screenshot of this, save it somewhere so that you have it on record. And then when you purchase this option, make sure you take a screenshot of the actual contract so you have that. And then whatever news you can find with GSAT, you want to make sure you document that as well. If there's anything significant that you saw in the news to make you jump on this particular stock, you know, then you might want to document that just to give you a peace of mind if things start to go against you or whatever. You have this stuff documented so that you can look at it and say, okay, yeah, this remind me why I got into this trade. Okay, boom, I saw this. All right, cool. Let me just stay cool and let me just stick to my plan and then see this thing out. All right. So that's how we would put all this stuff together. All right. If you still got questions, let me know.